damn phones. Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Backwoods overload, don't like to smoke them.
Alright guys, what's up? Today we're doing a bike check, an actual good bike check. I got some new parts, as you can see, so I'm gonna do a bike check, an actual good bike check. I got a new chain, a new stem, a new bars, new grip, so yeah, and bar end, a new bar end too, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Alright, so these bars are actually Verdi bars. They're from a friend's bike, I believe. What Verdi is it? It's shoot. It's from a Verdi bike, I know. And then the stem is also from the same bike. It's a Verdi. I do not know what bike. I can't think of the bike name. But anyway, these are ODI long neck soft grips. They're ODI bar ends too. The seat is a Fiction Moto combo, like the seat post and seat combo thing. It came with the bike. It's not a bad seat. I'm not gonna replace it anytime soon. Okay, so the pedals are actually Wogo PC pedals. They're plastic, obviously. They still have the reflectors in them because I am too lazy to take them out. And yeah, alright, so these cranks are tubular chromoly arm Fiction crank, or stolen cranks actually, and they are 8-spline cranks, or 8-spline spickles. The bottom bracket is a steel mid 19mm bottom bracket. It's actually a really good setup for what I'm using it for. It's not bad. This is a stolen, or Fiction. It's a stolen 25T sprocket, 25 tooth, whatever, sprocket. It's not the best. I'd rather have a 30 tooth, but it is still, I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, this bike all around is pretty good. These are Fiction tube tires. The rear wheel, I have a stolen Rampage wheel, so it's a little bit better than the one that comes on it. I have 4 cinema pegs. This chain I actually got at a mountain biking shop called REI down the road. I went in and I was like, hey, my chain broke, and they were like, okay, let's fix it, and so they got this chain, and it took them about like an hour to fix the chain on a BMX bike, and I was pretty pissed, and he was like, sorry for the wait, man. I was like, yeah, no, it's good, and I suck at putting chains back on bikes, but I would have done it sooner than that. Like, it wouldn't have taken me an hour. But anyway, let's go with the headset. The stolen freaking stock headset. I am definitely upgrading this bike, don't worry. But yeah, it's just a bunch of stock stuff. Alright, so the forks are the Stolen Casino 2019 forks. So is this freaking frame. It's a Stolen Casino frame. I can't really say much more about this bike because it's basically a stock bike. I mean, as you can see, it is a complete bike other than this. This part right here, this section, is all new. So, I mean, I can't really say much other than, you know, the pegs and stuff. I think that's everything. I'm pretty sure I covered everything. I'll leave, like I did in the last bike check, I'll leave the link in the description. They pretty much sold out of these because it's 2019. So, you can't really get much more. You can't really find them anymore. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. And yeah, ring that bell. Come on, people. And view the crap out of this video. I want to get a crap ton of views on this. I know it's a sucky video, but you know, we're just chilling. It's super hot outside. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.